Hey everyone, very good morning. This is the final day in this midweek of March, the 13th of March 2026. Today, it is going to be a cheerful day for the traders, particularly for intraday traders. Why we are meaning for it means today's, even though the opening seems to be a negative one or a lower one, flat to negative open we can expect on the Indian markets. We are expecting a bouncing kind of activities, probably making the index to give some relief on the ongoing corrective phase with that intention of attracting buying around the 23,500 as an important intermediate support zone, not a behavior shift one. It is just a immediate and intermediate support zone. That is 23,500. As long as it is holding this 23,500 for the day, particularly in any time frame, if it is trying to break 23,740, after breaking, it is not coming to the zone of, that means falling to the zone of 23,500 means between these particular accents, one can expect a volume packed with intentional buying. There one can see that particular accents between the 23,740 above breakout and holding 23,500 between this 240 range, that expected intentional buying probably happening. If it happens, so we can expect the Nifty would be eyeing for 23,900 to 24,000, maybe happening today itself. Otherwise, it may be probably happening within next 1 or 2 sessions. That is the major thing one have to observe in today's market movements. Based on yesterday's one, yes, of course, it has consecutively closed below the 10th March low, as we have predicted and explained the thing how it could be for the Nifty if it closes below 23,700. That was a low of 10th March for Nifty. As it has closed consecutively, a bouncing activities which is required for attracting a follow-through selling. For that, a bounce is required. So that only today it is expected to give some bounce, provided it holds 23,500 as an immediate support. From the positional perspective, as long as the Nifty is staying below 24,079, the 10th March low, indicates an increasing selling pressure only. Every bounces will be tried to attract selling with an accumulated or built manner. For that, if it is trying to do so for the few sessions in the next week also, we 23,300 and 22,800 may get signal to reach. Already 23,300 once tested, and a retesting activity may be expected because of the consecutive trade below 24,700 as 10th March. As we have mentioned here, any short-term rebound may be continue to be retreated as a selling opportunity unless 24,700 as a whole. This is for positional traders. The sectors would be continuously attracting the attention of traders, include energy, oil and gas, metal, See this metal we have mentioned an important note for the day. It is currently standing at a crucial juncture. There is extremely sorry for the disruptions happened because of the internet issue, and we have been discussing about the things under sectoral analysis. So the defense sector oriented stocks we have been discussing before the disconnection happened. See the defense, even though the expensive valuation for some of the stocks under this sector, there will be a chance for moving up with a short covering and fresh long build-up, particularly for shipbuilders and then Bharat Electronics kind of stocks one can see attracting buying. So that can be a focus for the day traders, and even for the next few days or so, the focus can be maintained on the same. The stocks including BHEL, TVS Motor, Acme Solar Holdings, Max Financial Services, KPI Green Energy, Gravita India, Action Construction Equipments may be focused for getting a chance for an enhanced trading prospects for the day traders. Keeping stop loss is very important irrespective of the direction and irrespective of your trade decisions. So in all the transactions, it is prudent to maintain a strict stop loss to protect your capital as well as to enjoy a better risk and reward ratio. Don't forget, the next week would be probably consolidating if the 23,500 on the Nifty holds today. With a bouncing activities, that is not to be treated as a buying or buy kind of activities for the positional traders, even for day traders also. That would be a chance for building a fresh shorts, and the day traders for today particularly enjoy by the way of building fresh longs only for the intraday activities using 23,500 as the final and the important support or stop loss for your trades. Have an enthusiastic trade today, because it is, of course, an opportunity are very, very higher for the long traders comparatively short traders. So thank you for participating in today's session. We can see any query fallen now. So there are no queries currently. So it is better we can now conclude this session, and of course there will be no weekly market outlook session for this particular Saturday because of the holiday. Thank you again. We'll meet again in pre-market outlook discussion for Monday.